Good evening, I'm Angela Reigard. One Pike County man lost most of his home after a fire Saturday night. It happened on Abe Street in the Phelps community. As WYMT's Chandler Markey reports, despite the loss, the homeowner says the one thing he cared about most was saved.
Jesse Hurley came home to find his house destroyed by a fire Saturday night.
There's nothing in the living room worth anything. My stereo, microwave, refrigerator, everything burnt.
But there was something inside worth more than anything, his 2-month-old puppy named Trixie.
Well, I went back in and started searching for the puppy to see if it's still alive or dead or what, so we can notify the homeowner. I found him laying, barely breathing, trying to hide underneath the box from the heat.
Firefighters say Trixie was inside the burning home for at least 20 minutes before they could get to him. Firefighter Mitch Lester says when he found Trixie, he was barely breathing.
Scooped him up, brought him outside where we took and applied an air pack to him, one of our SCBAs, letting fresh air blow across his face. Upon that, he started breathing more. It was more rapid and everything. He started moving a little bit more.
I thought he was dying, but evidently he made it. I thank God for that.
While the majority of Hurley's home may be gone, he's thankful to have his companion.
We go to save life and property. It don't matter, what life it is.
In Pike County, Chandler Markey, WYMT Mountain News.
Great story. Firefighters say the cause of the fire is unknown at this time, but the Kentucky State Police Arson Unit will handle the investigation.